Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me.
Good morning. Santa baby, just slip a sable.
I moved into this other bathroom so I can like say this really quick because I didn't want to like disturb my sister because she was sleeping. Today is day 1 of my week in Arizona with my family. Yesterday was like really hectic. I couldn't really vlog us getting on the plane. I had to, it's like we were about to be late. The flight was delayed, thank God, because our family was like really running late. We had like a whole group with us with like strollers, snacks, all these bags, and then we had to get the rental car. It was just so much going on. I threw up on the plane. It wasn't feeling good. My sister was scared. I had to hold her hand. It was just like, ugh. But the good thing is that we're here. So that's all that matters. I'm gonna insert the mini room tour that I did last night. The beautiful house that my Aunt Marcy put together. Like, I'm just so proud of her. One day, that's gonna be me. So yeah.
Hey guys, so we just showed up at Arizona and I just wanted to give you guys a quick house tour. If I don't have, a lot of energy, I'm sorry, is it's like 2 a.m. right now and we've been running all day. We still gotta get our package together, but I just wanna show you guys like where I'll be staying. So we're gonna go to the left over here. And here's a room, here's a bedroom with a bathroom, and yeah, there's some artwork. This is the room me and my sister is gonna be staying in. Has her own bathroom, of course, and a closet. What's up? And then we're gonna go to our right over here, and this is where she washes her clothes. Nice little laundry station. Oh, another bathroom. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's a closet. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. This is so pretty. There's a piano right over here, which I think is really pretty with this beautiful mirror. And then we have all of this decor right here. Oh, here is the Christmas tree. You walk in, it's just her office. I'm not gonna go in there, but just know that's her office. It's the front door, but we didn't come through the front doorway. We came through the garage way. And I think, what's this? Like, oh, is this a master suite? I believe this is the one. Oh. Why didn't we get this wrong? One of my aunts was in there sleeping, so we're gonna not disturb her. So let me come out here. Out here is the living room area. My family is in there talking, but very pretty. I like the red and the gray. That's crazy because that's how I want to decorate my house. Oh my God, this is so nice. She decorated this really well. Got the big window right here. And here's the lovely kitchen with my lovely family. Yes. Dining table is decorated really nice. Really nice. Really nice. Hey. And then here's a pantry. And here is the movie theater. Ooh. Got the movie theater going on over here. Oh, wow. I love the way you decorated this.
Wow, thank you.
You did a really good job. It is. It really is. Okay. And here's another master suite with this big old mirror, and it has this freaking crazy walk-in closet. Oh my God, my aunt, wow. Okay, all right. Like, you go, girl. And you come over here, she has her own, oh my God, her bathroom is beautiful. Like, look at this tub, and then look at the shower. The shower's really big. She has, oh my God, wowzers, wow. I'm in love with this house. Come on, Marcy, that's her. That's my Marcy. Successful Black woman. Good morning.
Can I talk to you without the camera in between?
time.
I didn't buzz.
No.
Okay, so first outfit of the day. Turtleneck with my fur coat, some jeans, fanny pack, and some necklaces. Arizona is supposed to be hot, but it's a little chilly because you know it's December. But yeah, they were shopping and. Okay guys, so I had to stop at H&M because I have to return a dress that I cannot use because I got it mixed up. So I'm gonna stand in line to see if they'll let me exchange it without a receipt. Alright guys, so I'm here shopping for a little bit Christmas stuff. These little cute things, I think I'm gonna get it only because they're $1. They're literally $1, so it's like I'm not gonna miss out on these. Wait, no, this was $1. I think cause something was wrong with them, so I'm just gonna get this cause it's $1. Hey baby.
Yeah, you see it, drop it down.
All right. Let's put it in order. You want to get something?
I don't know. Okay, so I actually have to change into these pajamas that my aunt got us all. This is supposed to be like some sort of like, I don't know, thing we're doing tonight. So this is going to be fun. So I'm about to shower and then change to these. Got our jammies on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is so cute. Oh my god. I'm really weak. The fam.
I've been back
It's on my vlog.
Okay, vlog.
Not the family. End the vlog here. Right now I'm just chilling with family at the moment. Today was fun and yeah, so we're just gonna watch some movies, I think, play some games. I'm not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. I'll see you guys in the next video for 5 days of Christmas with Basic Brie tomorrow on Christmas Day. Happy holidays.